Linear equations. Linear equations are equations of straight lines involving one unknown, which requires only one equation to solve, or two unknowns, which would require two equations to be solved simultaneously to find the values of the unknowns. Linear equations involving one unknown. Linear equations involving one unknown can be normal equations or fractions. For example, 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. This is a simple linear equation which we can solve by adding 1 to both sides of the equation, and we get 2x is equal to 3 plus 1. 2x is equal to 4, and this implies that x is equal to 2. Second example, y over 2 plus 2y over 3 is equal to 1 over 6. This is a linear equation in fraction form. We follow the normal procedure of evaluating fractions by finding the LCM, writing the left-hand side of the equation as a single fraction. So the LCM will be 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times y is 3y. 6 divides 3 2 times. 2 times 2y is 4y. And this is equal to 1 over 6. We eliminate the denominators by multiplying both sides by 6, and we end up with 7y is equal to 1. And therefore, y is 1 over 7. Other examples of linear equations involving one unknown include the following. Solve the following equations. So like in the first example, we have x minus 2 over 3 is equal to x plus 3 over 2. We can cross multiply the equation. 2 into x minus 2 will be equal to 3 into x plus 3. We open the brackets. 2x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 9. We collect the like terms and we get negative 4, negative 9 is equal to 3x minus 2x. This means that x is equal to negative 13. In the second example, we have 2 over x is equal to 1 over 4 plus 2. We add 2 on both sides. So we end up with 2 over x is equal to 2 1/4, which is 9 over 4. 2 over x is equal to 9 over 4. Therefore, 9x is equal to 8, and from here x is equal to 8 over 9. Third example, we find the LCM of 3 and 6, which will be 6. 6 divides 3 2 times. 2 times the numerator will be 2 into x plus 3 minus 6 divides 6 once. 1 times the numerator of the second fraction, x minus 2, which is equal to 1 over 18. We open the first bracket, we'll get 2x plus 6 over 6 is equal to 2x we have 2x plus 6 minus x plus 2 over 6 is equal to 1 over 18. Care needs to be taken when opening the second bracket. The sign changes to positive because -1 times -2. A negative times a negative is a positive. So care needs to be taken in that case. So when we collect the like terms, we get that 2x minus x is x, plus 6 plus 2 is plus 8 over 6 is equal to 1 over 18. Multiply both sides by 6. So x is equal to a third minus 8, which is negative 7 and 2/3. In the last example, we multiply both sides by the denominator of the fraction. So that this becomes y minus 5 over 3 plus y is equal to 2 into 3 plus y, 3 plus y. 3 plus y cancels out and we remain with y minus 5 is equal to 6 plus 2y. Collect the like terms. We'll have y is equal to negative 11. Linear equations in one unknown can also be formed from a statement and solved. For example, A mother is 18 years older than her daughter. After 6 years, she will be 3 times the daughter's age. How old is the daughter now? So because the unknown here is the daughter's age, we let the daughter's age be equal to x. So we have the daughter and we have the mother. Now, the daughter is x years. The mother is 18 years older than the daughter. In six years' time, the daughter shall have added 6 years. The mother shall also have added 6 years. So the daughter's age will be x plus 6. The mother's age will be x plus 18 plus 6 years. And the statement tells us that in 6 years' time, she will be 3 times the daughter's age. So that means that the mother, x plus 18 plus 6 years, will be equal to 3 times the daughter's age, which is 3 times x plus 6. This becomes x plus 24 is equal to 3x plus 18. We collect the like terms. We'll have 24 minus 18 is equal to 3x minus x. 2x is equal to 6, and therefore x is equal to 3. So the daughter's age now is equal to 3 years. Another example, the sum of 2 consecutive integers is 4. Find the integers. So we know that consecutive integers differ by 1. So if we let the first integer be x, the next integer will be equal to x plus 1. So x plus x plus 1 is equal to 4. 2x the sum is 3. Let the sum to be 3, not 4. X is equal to 2. So x will be equal to 1. So if the sum of two consecutive integers is 3, then the integers will be 1 and next integer will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So the integers, the consecutive integers are 1 and 2.